Okay, so just doing a video of the garden, the current state, how the plants are doing, etc. There's a few in the bottom here, and a few up along just the side here. And then we get up to the new armor stone. We've put a few plantings in here. Over here, beside that stump. And then on the next level, nice rose bush on there. A bit gravelly on that bed, needs to be worked up. On the side here, rose bush is doing beautifully. And then we've got a daisy. And then kind of an empty area here between the existing rock, river rock, and the new wall. I believe there's a lavender up there that we just put in. Get away, fly. That's the overall view.